Assalamualaikum. I am Aniba freelancing Mali from Rahan School, Lahore campus. Today we will talk about schools kill creativity. Today, advanced education is most important. But Sir Ken Ribonson was internationally recognized educator and creativity expert. In this TED Talk, delivered in 2006, he argues that modern education system often prioritize academic achievements and standardized testing over creativity and individual talent. His central claim is simple but controversial. School may unethically discourage the worry creativity and children naturally process. Robinson begins by observing that young children are willing to take risks and make mistakes. They are curious, imaginative, and not afraid of being wrong. According to him, creativity requires experimentation, and when children become overly afraid of making mistakes, their creative thinking can decline. Education prioritizes curtains subjects. Robinson argues that most school system place mathematics and languages are the top of the hierarchy, while arts, music, dance, and creative disciplines often receive less attention. His belief this sent as message that some talents are more valuable than others, potentially limiting students whose strengths lie outside traditional academic subjects. Another important idea is that intelligence is diverse. People learn and express themselves in different ways. Ribbonsons share examples successfully individuals whose talent might have gone unnoticed in a conventional classroom setting. Emphasize that education should recognize a wide range of abilities. One reason this TED Talk became so popular is Rubanson's speaking style. He combines honor, storytelling, and research to make complex ideas easy to understand. Rather than attacking teachers, he focused on the broader of education structure and encouraged viewers or to make rethink long-standing assumption about learning. His personal and indicators and real-world examples help the audience contact emotionally with his message. In the beginner, the biggest strength of presentation is the ability to challenge conversation thinking. Robinson encouraged educators, parents, and policymakers to consider whether schools are preparing students of rapidly changing world. His emphasis on creativity remained highly relevant in an era where innovation, problem solving, and adaptability are increasingly valued. Despite its popularity, some cities, in my view, Rivamsons raise important questions about how we define intelligence and success. While not every about how we define intelligence and success, while not every argument is universally accepted. His talk encourages valuable reflections on whether education should do some more natural creativity or along outside academic achievements. Even nearly 2 decades later, the discussion he started continues to influence debates about education around the world. Overall, do schools kill creativity remain one of the most impactful educational talk over diverse. It challenges us to consider what school should prioritize and how we can better support diverse talent in future generations. If you have not watched TED Talk yet, it's definitely worth your time. What do you think? Do schools encourage creativity or do they suppress it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.